I think that the society has a very good potential. This country is a very young country. I recommend that you study several of the fields, including that especially for the English language, to expand your perspectives, not only limited in this region but all over the world. And today, I'm very happy to speak to the young people regarding the recent development of the human resource management in Japan and Asia. And I am expected to have the next chance in the near future. Thank you very much.